Thank God it's Monday. Panibagong video na naman. Feeling vlogger lang. And yun, 4:30, 16 degrees. Pero napakalamig. 16 degrees lang yun pero malamig. Actually, medyo mas mainit dito sa labas compared sa bahay. So dapat sa loob ng bahay naka-heater ka. So winter feels na talaga. So this morning, yun daw yung coldest night ever ngayong winter. So nag 2 degrees kaninang umaga. Kaya yun, malamig talaga yung weather. And yun. So syempre dito kami ni My Loves. Papa-init muna after our work. So dito tayo sa usual tambayan sa Robinson's Park near our area. By the way guys, quick sharing ko lang. So last Friday, last week, meron akong good news na na-receive via email. So hindi natin to inaasahan. So nag-email sa atin yung Rode, RODE, Rode company. It's an Australian company. They're known for creating audio technology products like microphones, audio interface, wireless mics, etc. So nag-reach out sa atin surprisingly last Friday, and they offered me na nakita nila yung YouTube channel natin. But I'm referring to my other YouTube channel. So nag-offer sila na mag-promote ako ng products nila, and they'll be sending me out wireless mic pro, no? So I got surprised kasi hindi ko pa na-share to, but I'm actually I have another YouTube channel account, which is yung Soulmat. So before kasi YouTube talaga tayo, pero since hindi ko naman maintain consistently, so hindi na ako nakagawa ng YouTube videos. So it's been a while kasi medyo busy rin sa work, and saturated na masyado yung YouTube channel. Hindi naman tayo nakakapag-create ng magandang content, so medyo na-stop na. But yun, surprisingly last week nag-email sa atin ng Rode, and they'll be sending out Rode Wireless Mic Pro. And yun, syempre natuwa tayo, kaya I accepted the offer na mag-promote tayo ng products nila in exchange of Rode Wireless Mic Pro. So yun, I got surprised, and na-ship na nila actually last Friday. I'm just waiting for the product to arrive. And yung item pala is 749 Australian dollars itself. So yun, nakakatuwa naman na parang somehow magiging anong tawag doon? Parang promote tayo ng product para tayong anong tawag doon? Endorser. So endorser na tayo. And yung product na yon guys is actually malaking product yung Rode. And actually even in the Philippines, Rode products user na tayo. So meron tayong gumagamit na tayo yung first version ng Rode wireless mic. We had a version 1, and gumagamit din tayo ng Rodecaster Pro, and yung microphone din natin is a Rode din. So we're using Rodecaster mic. So hindi na tayo new sa mga Rode products, and reputable brand talaga ang Rode. And yun, excited tayo na dumating yung Rode wireless mic para makapag-create tayo ng small videos or short videos about the product. So yung other YouTube channel ko guys, more on ano siya, nag-start ako sa about tech products, reviews, simple unboxing, and then nag-try din akong about sports. So ano siya, parang chop suey. Pero yun nga, basically hindi rin ako naging consistent. But yun, it's a surprise na may nag-reach out sa ating magandang company, which is yung Rode nga. So siguro, let's see if I have more time, i-continue natin yung na yon, yung channel na yon. Baka wake up call siya, reminder na kahit papaano gumawa pa rin tayo ng content. Pero actually guys, more than anything else, yung paggawa natin ng videos is actually, it's not for anything else, pero more on lang siya, parang creating memories. So parang pastime na rin natin. So minsan kasi natutuwa rin tayo na edit, upload, mag-tinker around sa Adobe Premiere, ganun. So simple edits. So minsan natutuwa rin tayo, and parang rin, minsan it's good for memories na makita yung previous videos na nagawa mo. So yun. Busy ang my loves ko magluto. What do we have for dinner, my loves? Ayun, no? Spaghetti ba?
Pasta.
Pasta, oilo. Oilo? Okay. Ayun, no? Sarap.